So your boss says, we love your web part, but we want it to appear on every site in the tenancy. And also, we want it to take up the whole page. How on earth do we do that? By using custom app pages. Single part application pages or custom app pages are now available in SharePoint Online. The objective of this episode is to create a custom app page, to deploy it and then test it in our tenancy. Let's dive straight in. So the first thing we want to do is check the version of Node we're using. And we do that by typing node-v. We need to be using the version 14 LTS. So to do that, we use nvm use 14, if of course we're not using Node 14 at the moment. Let's just check that again with node-v. Then we need to start Yeoman, so we type yo. We choose Microsoft SharePoint as the template. We call the solution custom-app page. We target SharePoint Online, and I'm going to use the current folder, but you could create a new folder at this point. When asked if we want to deploy it across the whole tenancy, I'm going to answer yes in this case so that this is available from any site within the tenancy. I'll answer the default no for API access for this demonstration. Choose web part and call it single part page or whatever name you want to give it. I'll ignore the description. I'll choose React in this case, but you could have no JavaScript framework as well. And then let's watch it scaffold. So now let's open it in Visual Studio Code, and we need to go into the source folder, then into the web part folder and find the manifest.json file. In order for it to appear as an app page, just go to the supported hosts element and add SharePoint full page. And when it's deployed, SharePoint will know that this is available as a custom app page. So we open the terminal or command prompt if you're in Windows, and we type gulp bundle -- ship. Then we type gulp package -- solution -- ship. Then we navigate to our tenant's app catalog. So first we go to admin, then we click on apps, then app catalog, then distribute apps for SharePoint. We open our SharePoint folder from our solution and we find the package file and we drag it in. Make sure we tick the box to say deploy to the whole organization. And then to test it, go to a site, click new page, and you'll notice that there's a tab that's appeared called apps. Click on that and you'll see our single page application we've created. Simply click on that to add it. Notice that the properties of a web part appear in the page details. Then save it, and there we are. Our web part's available as a single page application. And of course this will be available anywhere in a tenancy because we told it that it would be, unlike page templates which are only available to the site that they're saved in. Notice that when it's running as a single page application, you can even open it full screen. So it's really powerful that you can reuse your web parts in such a way. Hopefully this will inspire you to build some single page applications. So in this episode, we learned how to build, deploy and use custom app pages. If you want to know more, I've added some links in the description.
If you've enjoyed this video, then please do give us a like. And if you like this kind of content, then do make sure you subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on a video.
And if you want to join us on our developer journey, see the link below. And if you're feeling generous, buy us a coffee.
Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time. Happy coding. We'll see you next time.